Are you getting rain out in your hose? Sounds like a helicopter. Blip, 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 blip. Can actually be dangerous. More episodes per hour. Because of the water that's blocking the hose, the CPAP machine is unable to deliver adequate pressure to keep your airways from closing. Warm air collides with the cold air outside of your tubing. You see this plate here? It heats up that air. So when that moisted air travels through the tube and goes to you, you feel that nice, soothing, comforting, warm, humidified air when you breathe, right? Nice and comfortable. But the problem is, because your room is so cold, that air condensates and builds up in your tubing. So then you get that water droplet. You might be dealing with that right now. Trust me, you're not alone, and it's all seasonal. Because now the season is getting more cold and chilly. I'll give you my hand's messed up. I'll give you 3 easy fixes on how to remedy the situation. Number 1 is to turn the humidifier down. All you gotta do is go into your settings, go to My Options, turn it down to humidifier level. And most of the time you're probably set at 4, but try 3, try 2, try 1. And if that doesn't work, try turning it off completely. That's the easiest way. I said in previous videos, I don't use the humidifiers. You can try that yourself. Try turning off the humidifier completely. But if you just want a little bit of humidity, keep the level at 1 or 2 and see if that still creates that rain out in your hose. That might be the answer. If that fixes it, great. But if that doesn't, here's level 2 to fix this situation. Remedy number 2, an insulated hose cover. It's one of my products too. You can buy it in combination with my hose hanger, just a plug. They sell all over Amazon. It's just a zipper cover that covers your tube. Usually sell for 10 to 20 bucks. Here we go, the hose cover. And it covers the entire hose and it zips all the way up. Zip, zip, zip. When you have the humidified air going through it, it shelters from the elements outside of the hose. This will actually keep the moisture insulated. Well, next remedy, I want to talk about the heated wire tubing. You see there's a little chip in there? That's because there's actual wires that go through the entire tubing. When the humidified air passes through the hose, you would actually get moist air all the way to the mask. So it's nice. It does cost a little more, it's about $80 to $100. So make sure the AirSense 10 is different from the AirSense 11. So make sure you purchase the proper one that fits your specific machine. The Philips will definitely have a different type of hose. So make sure you get the correct model. This one is for the AirSense 10. You see that chip? And it plugs right in to the AirSense 10. When you plug it in, the settings will be different. So now it says climate line tubing, climate line tune temperature. I would just hit auto, keep it auto. Try that. Either lower your humidity level, get an insulated hose cover, or get a heated wire tubing, okay? Or you can get a combination, put the hose cover over the heated wire tubing, then you'll be extra protected. If you have any more questions, feel free to put something in the comment. I'm actually gonna travel soon. Maybe I'll pump up a next video on my travel CPAP, since a lot of you guys are probably gonna be traveling, going on vacations during the holiday season. See you in the next video.